In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your workspace name in Trello. If you've ever found yourself needing to update the name of your Trello workspace to better reflect the projects you're working on, or just to keep things more organized, you're in the right place. We'll guide you through this process step by step, ensuring that you can easily make this change without any hiccups. To begin, let's head over to Trello.com. Once you're on the Trello homepage, you will find the login button prominently displayed, usually at the top right corner of the page. Tap on Login and you'll be prompted to enter your credentials. Here, you have the option to log in using your email or, if you prefer, with your Google account. This flexibility makes it convenient for users who prefer not to remember yet another password. Make sure you enter your credentials accurately to avoid any access issues. Now that you're logged in, it's time to navigate to the boards page on Trello. This is where you'll find all your boards neatly organized. Navigate towards the Your Workspaces section within the boards page. This area houses all the workspaces you're part of, allowing you to see at a glance everything you're currently working on. Next, click on the specific workspace you want to edit. Once you're in the desired workspace, look for the tab labeled Workspace Settings. Click on it, which will take you to a page displaying various options for managing your workspace. Now this is where we dive into the actual name changing part. Within the workspace settings, you'll notice a pencil icon beside the current workspace name. This icon signifies that the text field is editable. Click the pencil icon, allowing you to modify the workspace name. Here, type in the new name that you want your workspace to have. Be sure to choose something concise yet descriptive, as this helps in recognizing the workspace quickly in the future. After typing in the new name, don't forget to hit the Save button. This button is typically located near the name field, sometimes even highlighted, ensuring you don't miss it. Once you click Save, Trello will immediately update your workspace with the new name, and just like that, you've successfully renamed your workspace. In this straightforward yet essential guide, we've walked through how to quickly and effectively change your workspace name in Trello, making sure your board reflects your current organizational needs. Being able to manage and rename your workspaces on Trello is a handy skill that keeps your project management running smoothly. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on maximizing your productivity with Trello. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.